know about dark pools? Let's take a deep dive. Hey, and thanks for tuning in. Holly Shields here for Kalkine Media. Dark pools are private networks or private platforms that allow professional investors to trade stock on a large-scale basis without revealing too many details. Because of this, a dark pool is often regarded as a dark pool liquidity or dark liquidity. Dark pools are precisely opposite to public financial markets, as they are private platforms without any attention from the media. Dark pools keep the data about stocks private until the trade is executed. This is a favorable medium for investors like hedge funds and activist investors during situations when they do not want to reveal their strategy and the position they are taking. When the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, allowed brokers to trade big blocks of shares in the 1980s, dark pools arose. Electronic trading and a 2007 SEC regulation aimed at increasing competition and lowering transaction costs have sparked an increase in the number of dark pools. Because dark pools are generally hosted within a huge corporation, they can demand cheaper fees than exchanges. Let's have a look at the types of dark pools. First of all, you've got broker-dealer-owned dark pools, which are the dark pools developed by broker-dealers for their clients and some of their proprietary traders. Some of the popular broker-dealer-owned dark pools include Crossfinder by Credit Suisse, Sigma X by Goldman Sachs, MS Pool by Morgan Stanley, and CityMatch by Citibank. The unique feature of broker-dealer-owned dark pools is that they derive their prices from the trade flow. As a result, they offer the feature of price discovery to their clients. Then you've also got the agency broker or the exchange-owned dark pool. The agency broker or exchange-owned dark pools act as agencies rather than the principal. Some of the famous agency brokers or exchange-owned dark pools include Instinet Liquidnet and IGT-Posit. There is a price discovery for clients available in this type of dark pool. However, the prices are still derived from the flow of trades. For instance, the midpoint of national best bid and offer. And lastly, you've got electronic market makers dark pool. Independent operators like Getco and Knight mainly develop electronic market makers like dark pools. This type of dark pool operates as an independent platform with its own set of rules and guidelines. So how about the advantages of a dark pool? Firstly, private trading facilities. The privacy policy of dark pools enables the investors to keep their strategies secret that won't come out to the outer world, especially to its competitors. For example, in the public market, prices might cause an impact on people, whereas in a dark pool, it can easily be prevented due to its privacy policies. Secondly, avoiding price devaluation. Dark pools enable their investors to break down a huge stock into a smaller portion and sell this portion before the prices get devalued. Plus, increased market efficiency and liquidity. The high-frequency trade and other algorithmic trade happening in the dark pools have proven to increase market efficiency and liquidity. Thus, unlike the public market, where liquidity can dry up very quickly, in the dark pool, HFT method has shown to increase both market efficiency and liquidity. Now, there are also unfair advantages. That's right, dark pools are viewed as a medium where some investors receive an unfair leg up. Especially in high-frequency trade, many investors gain an unfair advantage that others do not get. Unfair and unethical trade practices on the dark pool are also kept hidden. As for the limitations of dark pools, well, it comes down to mainly a lack of transparency. As dark pools are private platforms for stock sales, the details of the stocks are kept confidential until the execution of the sale happens. Dark pools operate their trading with very little or negligible insights as compared to public markets. It's often viewed as a limitation of the dark pool by the investors who buy those stocks. Now that you're up to speed, check out some of our other videos to boost your financial IQ. If you like this info, please give us a like, share, and a comment, and while you're at it, why not sub to our channel? This has been Holly Shields for Kalkine Media.